If you're just doing random product research and you can't see the sales data, you're missing out on so much and wasting your time. That's why having a tool that costs $1 for a free trial like Zikanalytics is totally worth it. Now, there is a link in the description to sign up if you are interested, but this tool does do the job, and I'm showing you it right from the get. Right when you log in, it's just going to tell you what the most profitable products are on eBay in the last 30 days, the ones that are trending, like the kitchen sink faucet sprayers. Who would have guessed? Not me. Cupid chains, I got it. Bubble mailers, shoe racks, organization stuff. These are very boring products, but here's the thing. The boring products usually do the best because nobody wants to sell the boring products, but everybody wants to buy them. Especially like, moms and stuff like that. They want to organize your shoes. And the sell-through rate is 1,000%. So 1,000, anything above 800% is extremely good, meaning there's a huge demand for these types of products. And we can scroll down, we can actually see who the market share is, who's owning the market share, and it's pretty shared right now. It's not like totally taken over by somebody, but we can obviously see the total units sold, kind of filter this, who's making the most amount of sales in the last 30 days. And we've got some over-door shoe organizers, garage shelving. Well, this one looks like you can make a pretty penny off of this one. In 24 carts, 48 inches, 117 sold. Not bad for finding some different products to sell. Now, this is a little bit bulky, so I'm going to go back out of the niches and just do regular product research. The first one I'm going to type in is just like cat or dog, different items. When I type in cat, what we're looking for is a high sell-through rate. And that's exactly what we see right here. We see good trends. Obviously, it's the holiday season, so the trends are going to be good. And we can also do a reverse analysis on different manufacturers or on different competitors on eBay. But when we scroll down, obviously we're looking for cat stuff. We're looking for anything that has to do with cats. But if we find something that stands out, like these cat cables that has nothing to do with cats, that's where we are like, wow, this tool has just saved me a lot of time and energy because I found a whole new niche that I never knew before. When a seller's making 25 sold on an item that you don't even know what the heck it is, that's a good sign. That's your sign that maybe you should be selling cat cables. Who would have guessed, right? They've got these blue cat cables. They don't even explain what it is. They don't even explain how to use it. If you could do that, your listing would do so much better than theirs. And they're selling for $60 a pop. I'm telling you right now, I already found the manufacturer. They're selling it for like $15. So the margin's there. I don't know why they're not optimizing the listing. They must be comfortable. It looks like they're ready for some competition, right? And these are the niches that you are trying to find just typing in cat. And we can also take their brand name. So, sorry, their seller name. I keep clicking on it. Copy it. Copy their seller name. Go into competitor research. Type it in. Click enter, and then most of the time it's going to be able to pull the data and tell you exactly how many listings they have and show you what listings they have. And you can see they're loving these cat cables. They've got the cat 5, they got the cat 6, the cat 1, cat 2. They've got the cat, all these different models. They love these cats, right? Because the cats are making them money, right? And they can tell their friends that they sell cats for a living when they actually sell cat cables, and they're making, guess what, $150,000 total sold. I don't know the timeline of this, but this was uploaded in 2023, 150K, 50K, 12K, 42K. The tool's going to pay for itself, right? That dollar spent is going to pay for itself. So definitely look into this, try it out, try broad keywords, type in dog, cat, ferret, mouse, whatever, pig, blanket, random stuff, and then you're going to find really good items, right? You don't have to go super specific. Go broad. That's going to help you win at the end of the day and find profitable products to sell on eBay. Now that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, I recommend that you like and subscribe to this channel because we're going to be giving away the best content that's going to help you in your eBay journey. Oh, and if you need help with eBay, we're eBay experts. The link is right in the description to contact EHP Consulting Group or just email us. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.